Hi viewers, how are you? Hope you all good. So today I bring short pixie haircuts, different styles, different color ideas for you guys. Please let's start video, and before start video don't forget to subscribe my channel for get all new updates about color styles, new trends. So today I bring pixie short haircuts for over 50 women's. It's very elegant short pixie with light blonde highlights. It looks stunning pixie haircut, short haircut. It's elegant hairstyles over 50, over 60 haircuts for ladies to look more ageless, beautiful hair, classy haircuts, mature women's timeless haircuts. Just wash and go. It's very easy to maintain, very timeless haircuts. 50 today I bring almost 50 pixie haircuts for older women with fringe, sleek sleeve, fringe with sleek pixie fine hair with feathered layer. There is so much personality packed into these chic pixie haircuts. It's stylish and confident shag hairstyles for fine hair. 50 over 50 stunning pixie haircuts for women that prove age is just a number. The pixie haircut is a timeless hairstyle that be just chic and flattering on women over 50 as it on growing hair. Stunning haircuts, timeless haircuts, and pixie haircuts. It's for sure it's a timeless hairstyle, can be just chic and flattering on women's over 50 as it on young women. It's a low maintenance option that can be styled in countless viewers. It's look very stunning pixie haircuts, hairstyles, hair colors, and it's short haircuts, elegant hairstyles. It shows you ageless, beautiful hair and hairstyles and classy haircuts. For mature women, it's timeless haircuts that perform very elegancy. 50 pixie haircuts for older women with fringe, with sleek silver pixie fine hair, feathered layered. That's so much personality packed into these chic pixie hairstyles with fine hair. The stunning pixie haircut looks so gorgeous on these women. It enhances your personality. It's timeless haircuts and very trendy haircuts. It's easy to maintain, and for mature women, it's short haircuts, elegant hairstyles. 50 pixie haircuts for older women with fringe, with sleek bang, with straight bang, with short layers, with feathered layers, with highlights, with like silver highlights, with silver color and silver toner, silver highlights, and this is a beige blonde highlights and beige blonde styles, and it's look amazing on these women. It shows their personality, it's enhanced their personality. Please do try one of style on your or your like anybody in your family, your mother or aunt's hair. It looks amazing and it's very timeless and it's a beautiful elegant hairstyles, and it's easygoing hairstyles that enhance your personality, and it's beautiful elegant shag layered haircuts. It's low maintenance option that can be styled in countless. It's just wash and go, and it's make you look younger, like hairstyles with feather layered. There is so much personality packed into this chick pixie. It's stylish confident shag hairstyles for fine hair, 50 stunning pixie haircuts for women over 50 that prove age is just a number. The pixie haircut is timeless. Hairstyle can be just chic and flattering on women over 50 as it a young woman. It's low maintenance option that it is on young women. It's a low maintenance option that can be styled in countless. Please viewers, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Forget new coming videos. Doesn't matter which area you belong to, doesn't matter which part of world you belong to, you can try any hairstyle, any color, according to your skin tone, according to your face cuts. You can ask your hairdresser to apply this style on your hair, so then you will see the big difference about the long hair to shorter hair. So it's gonna enhance your personality, and it's a very elegant hairstyles. It looks stunning pixie shag hairstyles, short haircuts, elegant hairstyles for over 50, for over 60 women's hairstyles. Ageless beauty hair, classy haircuts, mature women haircuts, timeless haircuts, and pixie haircuts for older women with fringe